Like to greet our respectable chief guest, honorable principal, affectionate teachers, and all my fellow classmates with the Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I am delighted to have the privilege to share some words regarding Republic Day of our glorious nation. I would like to take this opportunity to greet all of you a very happy Republic Day. Dear audience, it is an auspicious day of our life that we celebrate 26th January. The Constitution of India came into force on this day in 1950. Republic Day is our national festival day. We celebrate this day as an Indian and feel proud to be citizens of India. The Constitution is the living spirit of our democracy. The Constitution is the backbone of the country. The Constitution gives all Indians equal rights and privileges. The Constitution guarantees freedom to all Indians. The Constitution promotes equality and justice to all individuals, irrespective of their caste, color, and creed. At this occasion, I would like to read out the preamble to the Constitution. The preamble very clearly outlines the great idea of India that binds us together. It reads, "We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity and to promote among them all, fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation." In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Our beloved country achieved independence from British Raj on 15 August 1947, following the long freedom movement. On this auspicious occasion, we salute the architects of this freedom and the builders of our nation. Dear audience, on this occasion, we hoist our tricolor flag Tiranga. Every free nation of the world has its own flag. It is a symbol of a free country. We are proud of our Tiranga, which is our identity and our honor, which represents our solidarity and love to the country. The father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, said while highlighting the importance of flag for us, "A flag is a necessity for all nations. Millions have died for it. It will be necessary for us, Indian, Muslims, Christian, Jews, Parsis, and all others whom India is their home, to recognize a common." I pray Allah to grant peace and prosperity to our motherland and to enable us to serve this country with all means. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين.